Hello kiddos, today we are going to practice our letters with this activity. Here we need to match lowercase letters with uppercase letters. Can you guys help me? Thanks. Let's find our first letter. This is lowercase a. Let's find uppercase letter A to match it with lowercase letter a. Here it is. Uppercase A, lowercase a is for apple. Let's look for a second letter. This is lowercase letter D. Let's find uppercase letter D. Yes, here it is. Uppercase D, lowercase d, D is for dog. Let's keep looking in the bowl to find our next letter. Our next letter is letter M. This is lowercase letter m. Let's find uppercase letter M. Here it is. Uppercase M, lowercase m. M is for monkey. Let's see what is hiding in the bowl this time. This is lowercase letter f. Let's find uppercase letter f. Can you guys see it? Yes, it is right here. Uppercase f, lowercase f. F is for fish. Let's look for our next letter. Our next letter is lowercase letter h. Let's find uppercase letter h. Here it is. Uppercase h, lowercase h. H is for house. Let's find our next letter. Our next letter is lowercase letter x. Let's find uppercase letter x. Here it is. Uppercase x, lowercase x. X is for X-ray. Let's see what is hiding in the bowl this time. This is lowercase letter j. Let's find uppercase letter j. Can you guys see it? Yes, here it is. Uppercase J, lowercase j. J is for juice. Let's keep looking in the bowl for the next letter. Our next letter is lowercase letter I. Let's find uppercase letter I. Here it is. Uppercase I, lowercase I. I is for igloo. Let's find our next letter. Our next letter is lowercase letter q. Let's find uppercase letter q. Here it is. Uppercase q, lowercase q. Q is for queen. Our next letter is lowercase letter k. Let's match it with uppercase letter k. Here it is. Uppercase k, lowercase k. K is for kite. Next we have lowercase letter b. Let's match it with uppercase letter b. Can you see it? Yes, here it is. Uppercase b, lowercase b. B is for balloon. Let's see what we have next. This is lowercase letter r. Let's find uppercase letter r. Here it is. Uppercase r, lowercase r. R is for rabbit. Our next letter is lowercase letter Y. Let's find uppercase letter Y. Can you guys see it? Yes, it is right here. Uppercase Y, lowercase y. Y is for yo-yo. Let's see what we have next. Next we have lowercase letter O. Let's match it with uppercase letter O. Here it is. Uppercase O, lowercase o. O is for orange. Let's look for our next letter. Our next letter is lowercase letter T. Let's match it with uppercase letter T. Yes, here it is. Uppercase T, lowercase t. T is for tiger. Let's see what is hiding in the bowl this time. This is lowercase letter U. Let's match it with uppercase letter U. Here it is. Uppercase U, lowercase u. U is for umbrella. Let's look for our next letter. Our next letter is lowercase letter S. Let's match it with uppercase letter S. Here it is. Uppercase S, lowercase s. S is for sun. Let's look for our next letter. Our next letter is lowercase letter V. Let's match it with uppercase letter V. Here it is. Uppercase V, lowercase v. V is for van. Let's look for our next letter. What letter is this? This is lowercase letter n. Let's match it with uppercase letter n. Here it is. Uppercase N, lowercase n. N is for nose. Let's see what is hiding in the bowl this time. Lowercase letter W. Let's match it with uppercase letter W. Here it is.
Uppercase W, lowercase w. W is for window.
Let's see what's next. This is lowercase letter C. Let's match it with uppercase letter C. Can you guys see it? Yes, here it is.
Uppercase C, lowercase c. C is for candy.
Let's look for our next letter. Our next letter is lowercase letter E. Let's match it with uppercase letter E. Can you guys see it? Yes, here it is. Uppercase E, lowercase e. E is for elephant. Next we have lowercase letter G. Let's find uppercase letter G. Yes, here it is.
Uppercase G, lowercase g. G is for guitar.
Let's see what is hiding in the bowl this time. This is lowercase letter P. Let's match it with uppercase letter P. I found it. Here it is. Uppercase P, lowercase p. P is for penguin. Our next letter is lowercase letter L. Let's match it with uppercase letter L. Here it is. uppercase L, lowercase l. L is for lion. Let's find our last letter. Our last letter is lowercase letter Z. Let's match it with uppercase letter Z. Here it is. Uppercase Z, lowercase z. Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching.